What's good people, it's Oppo here, Mr. Blessings guys. We're back again with another video, and today guys we're shooting a double blind date, and as you can see guys, I'm not alone. I'm here with the big bro.
Man, it's your boy Teddy for the Nanas. Listen to late, most fascinating, so the follow boy. You know what you do here, guys. Welcome to Blessings channel. So as you guys can see, we have like a triple blind date. My sister, I'm here with. What's your name?
Hi guys, Kamala Munonti.
So tell me, bro. Like, what's your type?
My type, I don't have a type.
You don't have a type? Nah, these ones are there. They're not ugly. These ones. So my brother, I'm here with.
You're here with the official last.
I'm last. What last? I'm final.
Yeah, I'm the last one, as you can see.
Can I ask you something? Since you say you last, in a round, final, how many minutes do you sharp one?
Minutes? Yeah, I can take 5.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
First round.
Dog, 5 minutes.
What do you say about that?
Hey, kaungangifaki mina.
Okay, so and I'm also here with Mfana Bob Marley.
Vic Payne Njaga Njastrata.
Bongani Dube Mfana. So yeah, guys, not Bongani, can I say guy Lucky Dube?
Lucky Dube.
Yeah, can you say my brother?
Mfethu na awusombutse question ke bra.
You look like a rapper, you know.
Yeah, I'm a rapper, bra. 25k, bra. All I have.
Futhek.
Sorry.
Hi, what's if take him done? He's a rapper.
Ngisho wena mina.
Oh, he's gonna. That means today's gonna spit some power. So, bro, what is your type?
Yo, braga, why is all rapper so what I'm trying to get and so? Why it's already? Tap the ass, bro. She got a track at least, every morning.
What he said, okay guys, Yazzie, I'm gonna leave you guys for like 10 minutes now. So Mafet, you guys gonna cook, you're gonna have the mic, and please share the mic now.
Share what ngoba angiboni.
Like listen, whoever speaking on her.
Hey, brad, too much admin yo.
Watch until the end.
Too much ad.
Hello.
Grand. Mshapa na.
Msha. What's your job, Kamala?
No. Yes.
Salava.
So it.
I feel last feeling.
Yeah.
So like ngicela ukubuza into eyi-1.
Okay.
Yini into ethandayo like ngasho ukuthi like i-type yakho so umuntu onjani?
Like ngishila ngithi ukuthi angina type mara as long as uskuni ungekho movie yonkosi yami. Yes, ungekho movie. Then yeah.
So like yeah, red flag feeling umfana. Red flag.
Umfana uthanda amantombazana mara uyajola. Like yo.
So tlamara in the gate.
Kumele abheke mina kuphela.
Okay, yeah.
Yabo ngifuna kube ngathi udlisiwe.
But listen then.
Me I don't do that.
Angeke ufuna abheke wena uyini?
Amara hayi.
So kwamele umdlisi.
Hayo. Kumele kenzeke natural angeke. Yeah, so this feels weird. Next.
Next we run now.
Yeah, ngisho wena.
Na questions aka mona tsaka di next wait.
Yeah.
Ka itse ga lo di bona gale ke le bona ra tshwana na lo wena. Na ga question e thuma ka body count I think ya matters. Uskambutsa mama.
Leyo nje ayayaziwa nje leyo akumelanga yazi.
Awethavi wena ore.
No, me I do know, but aibo.
You don't want to tell me.
Aye, for what?
I want to know.
No. It's for me to know.
Okay, I don't know enough flow, but like adjust avele marai. Because blow me grind ko mujitini swanza aktabe mujita di kilo level.
Yeah, maybe ngizokutshela ama-C2.
Yeah, I feel.
Aye.
Yeah.
Uyaphapha wena.
Ka wezinye izinto yazibona ne. What if lepo likhanta lo mntana lo ithenga imoto?
I figure shame. It's hanging ngisho namaghost. Nifuna ngithini?
Rotla ro botse vara.
Hayi bra no.
Amara doesn't matter. Tla ibona go pela akere. Exactly.
Okay. So ke angazi ngibuze bani inkosi yami. But ke ithi ngikale ngapha ku left ni. Ngize ko right.
Yeah.
Wena yini type yakho amantombazane?
tape yami.
Yeah.
Khulumela phezulu.
Intombazane egeza ethanda amanzi ne.
We don't care,
Funa umuntu ogeza angifuni ukuthi manje.
That you love
Uvele
what
lapha email nyani ngathi manje angazi bo semasimini oribuva.
Yeah.
Ya ngifuna unukele crane.
Okay.
Ngithola. Sure into engayisho feel.
Okay, wena right.
Vethu ngele tshwantsha be short nyana. A tshwere dilo tse di particular le abatleya. Hey, skale bala particular. Yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also ufuna umuntu one ass.
Yeah, you can say ass, but then really boobs di abatleya le.
Manje makanga nawo.
So kore kujula le games. What's not the boobs? One say, onka sawa.
Okay. Yeah, go worry.
Yeah.
Me, I don't know what else to say. Guys.
You should know what else to say, baby girl.
Ganjani.
Oh. Hey, kaba so relationship okay, yabo. But when you talk to food. And no lo emela I emeli na kuthumela.
Mina ngithoketive but in situations like this,
Which one is like this can't?
nje kanje
2 in 1.
Hayibo.
Khona uzonga ba le chiquita mona khala re di etsa le ba re ke le interesam. Ke ona tresam ne ka sekgowa. Plus stroke grand. Ke mrepo wa ka sa international.
Kasongo yeah.
So botso o tsa ho tsa majwa o ploma vavel. Ska thola ke request ta ploma. Soweto.
Yes.
E tlo ba ke tšhelete Uber mo se mo ipura phasa.
Yeah, ina wrong lapha.
Ku bloma fair.
Vele kude shem.
Atla adjust to bloma ga imakasana.
Yo.
Ha ka o botsa phela. Wa hana.
Ngiyahana vele bandla.
Mara usubule una le voice fresh umuntu vele.
Yeah, ungasho ukuthi ngimuhle.
Angisho kanjani kuba ngikubona.
Uzongibona.
Okay. So out of 10 nje wena the guy guy.
Hey mina ngizinika 100.
Out of 10 uthi guy 100. Ngoke na va school kanti.
Ish. Orlando.
Okay. Lono re fidike Frostana koske Frostana Pirates, no Orlando Pirates no kubeza la. But then ngasero out of 10 wanga 100 kanja.
Angithi uthe mina ngizinika ngakhi.
Out of 10.
Hayi. I've broken my scale.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. So asana question utombutsa yona vele.
Ayikho ngicabanga. Imagine.
Hayi ke wona le ufedi.
Okay. Show me. Come left. Wathula yini?
Next ngike ngithi manje ngidabulanga interrupt ngeke ngikhuluma nethu.
Okay.
Since
asho ukuthi nginibuze what's your love language?
Yo bra. Nice I said, bro, I gotta tap that ass every morning when I wake up.
When I left, what's your love language?
Left again numbers.
When you right when?
Oh, sorry.
You on my right. What do
the
you
other
mean?
right, the other left.
What's in wena?
Ngithe physical touch.
In physical touch. Wena. What's a great man ngani mfana wo?
Leta ngithile isigela.
In physical touch. Yabona mai.
And that weekend physical touch.
In physical, una emotional touch kanti. Kale zaphi le ntwana le? Vokela zaphi ntwana?
Bani?
Wena ya.
Mina bengikeleze eyebrow.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Wabona embarasa Ivory brother. In physical touch.
Okay, sorry.
In physical touch, bravo. Kusayemethi phela.
Awuqala physical touch mfethu.
Ikhona emotional.
Hayi mfethu yabona le.
Phela physical vali emotional. I get where that fade. Maybe can nagel ndom. But then I know I'm not. Physical touch.
Shikuthi kahle imislim akawo.
Ngeke.
Into zama kuyisho muslim.
Angizami ngiyayisho mus.
Ansebu busy la.
Bravo ngeke physical touch. Mara baby girl no I understand the physical touch.
Abathi
Do you?
like umuntu othanda ukubamba. Otshwara.
Bulesi language yangu you gotta understand.
I understand the car.
Yeah, I understand or barikin nothing.
Oh, okay. Daddy, come back.
Minutes left.
2 minutes.
So when I'm getting love language, how king?
Yeah.
Yo,
Act of service.
ting ting, what a ting ting. Keep it check in. Ting ting. How about?
Uyabona lapho. Ngingathanda ure.
Oh, I feel the game is 370. I can send the lion. Off the lion.
So, okay, let's go.
Wena.
Go guy. 370 sharp can.
Any amount is fine.
Cause go gela muntu akakafela akulile musi.
Yazini. Yonke.
Yeah, unokentonela high school. Da.
So wena like uyaqina or ushaya frontal.
Mina ngiyaqina izinto zama-frontal izinto lapho nalapho. But the most of the time ngihlala ngiyinwele zami natural nje angizenzi next.
So nako nna mfethu kana ma sister ama bayana le frontal tse le bayana ngito lutswa for wena. So sale ba tlorang mun.
Zintshontshwe zosifaka net for ukuthi umake effort.
Okay, utla qoba ne.
Yeah.
At least.
Time's up, man. Time sheet. So yeah, guys. Where we at? So yeah, guys. That was the blind date. I see in front of these people are fighting. No, and I'm my brother. Why are you fighting with this guy? No.
Mfethu na understand the physical touch mfethu.
You don't know it's physical touch.
Nah, I thought maybe it was specific. Re ba kholo re ba kana mfethu.
Okay, let's talk. What is physical touch, boy?
Njengoba shilo sweetheart ngayi ngithola. Bamba bahamba ugrab amfitha ngithola. Yeah.
What's physical?
You like to grab, mfana.
Yeah.
So you're gonna grab today, mfana.
Like if it's going to be possible, then that's it.
No, don't make that phone work grab. So yeah, guys, listen. So mfana, I saw you were talking about you're talking about so kana money again. So na braga ne what like allowance to come guy.
Hey, braga allowance ya nyakhwedi.
Yeah, per month.
Mfethu 1.5.
Oh, what do you think about that?
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not gonna kill anybody, most. It's not like he's rich. If he was rich, he's gonna give me $1 million
Oh yeah.
a month. You say if he was rich,
Okay. Remember something. Since he's gonna give you 1.5 every month, what do you bring to the table?
I bring Nyash.
Only nyashi.
Nyash.
Happy birthday nyashi. Happy Valentine nyashi. Happy anniversary nyashi. Awadlala.
Ufuna ngiletheni ke?
Something else. How?
Like what?
Tisachumi how rate tresa. Ngene.
Izwalo.
Nyashi how irregular mus.
Izwalo.
Matter how come you bring Yash Marafuni 1.5 every month?
How? I need to also bring.
No 1.5.
What else?
Yeah.
Aye, Benaman.
No, what else do you bring?
Aye.
No, you have to talk. What else do you bring?
No.
Yeah?
No, it's not
Well, you
that.
see, guys, you see women of this generation, they only bring Nyash, and this guy can get Nyash anytime.
Exactly.
Bruh, I won't bring Nyash only.
What else?
What do you want me to tell you? Aye, bruh.
Well,
It's
no,
the time
okay,
that
show me.
Are you uzolithola yena?
Emma, show me. I have a question. When are bitch?
Yeah.
Oh, bitch, what is something that you've done for a nigga?
Bruh. Don't ask me that.
Yeah? No. I get to see a bitch.
Hey,
Tell me
bruh,
something.
hey.
No. Tell me
Hey,
something you've
Daddy.
done for a nigga before.
Serawina musimo.
Yeah, you see women of this generation, be very careful. So mfana, how was the date? Mfana, cause when mfana bak ish, what's on Yeah?
Yeah, ngasho ukuthi manje.
Things.
Sure yena be grand, mara it seems like ngathi like kuzoba kuzoba complicating yabona. Into engayifi because
Complicated, my dog.
ma relax.
Sorry.
Yabona lo mntana lona noma ngimbhekile ne. Ngathi like ufuna ukuzenza abuvulela ma weekend or goalkeeper eKaizer Chiefs. Ngathi uzovulela yonke into engenayo. Yabona masekathi I'll bring Nyash. Isuke imosheka like every time una sozo bring Nyash.
So your things.
Kahle.
Izwalo.
Thengisela wena muskintwe.
Maybe ngithengisela yena.
Akunto right mus.
Hey guys, okay guys, so that was the blind date. So before you guys take off your blind dates, who do you think is your type here?
No one.
No one, right? No, I'm talking about physical.
Physically, I will have to wait and see.
No, we're in a gay such
Aye,
one.
Daddy. Angithi ngiyasho
It's on that type.
Oh.
Guys,
Hey, yeah.
Kanjani?
guys, the muntu uthi akana type. You said you don't have a type.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. So bon,
So dlala
Women, guys.
if
word of
they
the
fit
day-
my preference.
Word of the day, guys. Women don't know what they want. Thank. So, guys, we're gonna take off your blindfolds, but before I do that, ne, please close your eyes. Don't open your eyes, ne. Take
but
off your
I'm sure-
blindfolds, zonk. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Wait, my brother.
Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah.
Please take off your blindfold. So don't open your eyes, ne?
Yeah.
So, guys, are you guys ready? Professor, can I please get a countdown, ne? Yeah, it's recording. Guys, can I please have a countdown from 5? Ne, gents, everyone, ne? Yeah. So, hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Damn.
Mike.
Hello.
Hello. What's up?
What can you say, boys?
Ah, ke doing ka teng.
Okay. What is the job?
Sharp, ne?
And the time ring the boobs no ring la vele vele to itse bana.
Ah, mina nginawo amabhubs bra.
Ngarta just. Okay, was speechless.
Uthuleleni.
Ma. Ukuthi manje ngisazicabanga ngibhekile ngiyabona ukuthi hayi. Ngibhekane nomuntu okrenda ba.
Oh.
Ya two. Awuna muthu omunhle mwayivusa. What's so?
Yima, what do you mean akunamuntu omuhle la?
Oh, what's so? Wayaphenika kanti.
Usho ukuthini mawuthi akunamuntu omuhle ayivu?
So
Into engimangale. Wayisho kanjalo.
so khana so batwayela. Awusobatwayela bathu abantu so.
Ngibajwayele shini maya.
Bayawuthusa lo.
Ngitshela ngithusa. Like into engizama ukuyisho ne, I didn't expect umuntu omuhle kanje.
Okay.
So I can see.
I feel like slow bra, kusangifela lapha. Yeah.
Ngaphela umo.
Kodwa ngathi abatsali 5 minutes braga. So very 5 minutes.
Wena how long?
It depend braga or ke batla o etsa for how long. Agree etsa ke nna.
Monga tia estimate akae.
That's why it depend. If you batla mo fetsa fast ke fetsa fast. If you bona ka ya tsolla, ke change style ke continue. So I understand.
Asazi nizwa ngawo khuluma.
Echichi dama.
Yo.
Yeah, no bona luluna. Yeah.
Uyilo.
Hayi.
Sure.
Straight.
Boot count.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama body count man.
Boot count, bro. Yeah, this year. Yeah.
I feel like 6.
This year. Nigga, you can't win.
What?
Like yabona manje into ngikhulumisa zona manje.
I saw it, bro.
Eyakingakhi.
Not this year, bro. I get two. Now I get to bread. Mara plus this guy like about 3 me.
Price.
So guys, let's talk. So Mfana, since the blindfolds are off, what do you think, my sister?
Kalangambela, okay. They fit the description, ne? But man. Chomi, ngicela uphakame.
Nawuzophakama ne.
Okay, uclean. Minus 5 points.
Minus 5 points. What do you
It's minus plus 5 points. Okay. I can talk.
Okay, can you stand up here? Thanks.
Yeah, and obete 360 1818. Damn.
Oh my God! Wow!
Can you touch?
Oh. Tashani.
So guys, so Mfana, so since umona no ne, rate him out of 10 this one.
This one, ne? 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah, same this side. Oh.
Ngeke kulikansela ntwana ena.
Why not? Why not?
Akubili obvious ku competition phela batla winner mo. How?
You can't rate them the same. Okay, who's more handsome between the two? Be
They're
honest.
both nice, guys.
No, she-
I wanna put the dark skinned.
Who's more
I
handsome?
like that thing. I feel.
Hey, I need to bat in shop.
Who's more handsome?
Ah, para.
You can't like price. You can't like
Hey, Uzwil, I can't lie.
Let's go, bro. So guys, so Aisha, what can I ask, man? Ndana, you said your body count is 6, Ndana, this year. Ha, serious? Kana, man, fun.
I'm fit. Yeah.
Can you
text one now? Be like,
no one has ever done this. Can you name drop, fun?
Name what?
Name drop. I tried.
Can you name drop, fun?
The people.
Names. So guys, so now what's your favorite position in one? You know this one, she loves sex. She's Xhosa. Xhosa people love sex.
Position. Yeah, missionary film.
Yeah.
Hey, man, now.
So, wiki boy, missionary. Mutota mudavazo missionary.
So you're saying missionaries for beginners, man?
Exactly. First visitor kunto. Better missionary because whatever the person in Ruto alava. So imagine I'm doing a favorite how ela. After 5 minutes, don't know week.
Max. Kaulenga chichole ma listrating feature.
Who deserve your?
This is what I on.
Who deserve your?
Angayenzi guy feature.
Angeke.
So yenza kanje.
Rashera boy. Yeah. At least.
Yeah.
Safety.
So these people are not choppy, my sister. And so it's 1.5, ne? Ne, it's 1.5, ne?
Hey, 8.5.
Oh, 8.5 now, my sister.
Nemo Ruaspana, bro.
Ne? That's 8.5. She's yours, my brother. So guys, guys, I don't even know what to ask. Ne, Marachomi. So you have to choose one. Ne,
Braga always with some position with some fanula. Last
but you know what is your position?
Side to side.
Side to side.
Style, yeah. Yeah, nigga, I need it more.
So she's gonna experience it tonight.
Yeah.
You tell us how does it fuck, right? She'll tell us, guys. We're gonna wait for feedback, reviews, and so on. So, Hanaga, I may trust you, my boy.
Done that.
Ne, sharp unto you.
Missionary.
I also trust you. You know the quiet ones, boy.
Wogam futosil. Gam futos now, no snas now. Oh, quiet because I can't even do it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
How do you feel this guy's disrespecting you like this? If I was you, don't. Disrespect. You own the same ton.
Mara Uguru and Jackson the crane and Sulangash.
Bro, in front of how many people are watching this?
When
guys, I'm joking a lot. So guys, you have to choose one. You have to choose one, my sister. Choose one.
Jamina, if I want to take them both.
Banja. Stembu, well.
Okay, you'll tell us who fucks better. So guys, it's confirmed now. This is before, ne? This is before, guys. You guys are gonna tell us what she's gonna tell us who fucks better. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please make sure you subscribe to Blessings channel. So you got 50. Road to how many subscribers, my boy? 10K. Road to 10K subscribers, my friends. If this video doesn't get him to 10K, ne? For like.
Why violence?
Yeah.
Violence, yeah.
Issue.
Not confirmed. Okay guys, as you can see guys, this is the end of the video guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Uncle.
Can you stand up? I dare you. Right tapper. Oh, not where na yo na.
So guys, it actually happened. Understand? So as you guys can see, they're here, and things are happening on side. So my sister, please be honest. Who fucks better?
They both do.
Can't be bold.
What do you mean?
Okay, who gave you the best? Who gave you the
Ido.
Okay, man, who gave you the doggy the best here?
Yabona again.
Nigga, my dog.
Yabona again.
Hey,
bruh, don't ask that. When I
guys, she doesn't wanna say, but I feel like I know who, because she was making noise, guys. So guys, shout out to Blessing my face. Let's get him to 10K subscribers one time. Type shit.